with Danielle at Discover Rescue in Estes Park, and we did a tour of her Airstream, but some of my video was not so great, so we're gonna meet up with her again today and go through her Airstream. Hi, ma'am. Hi, Cash. Hi, Peanut.
Yeah, this is the humble abode. Because this is pretty big. But I would say,
I like you've got a lot of space.
Yeah. Us short people do great in here. Yeah. I cleaned up the cupboards, but they're just what they are. That's Rihanna's clothes. But no, it's not bad. The only thing I don't like with these is like the curvature. Everybody will tell you that.
Yep.
And so definitely like some of these mushy stuff.
Yeah.
But she can actually fit quite a bit of clothes in here, and I just moved my clothes. We only put stuff out that we need. That way we don't have, every time we're moving, we don't have to worry about it. And actually, let me open all of this.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, the light is spectacular.
So this is a lot like the base camp then, because you've got a lot more windows, and
when the sun comes out, it gets really hot, which is why I closed some of these.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, like you feel like you're outside all of a sudden.
This is one of my favorite things, though. I still think this is like great.
Dude, this lady on Airstream Addict, yeah, I'm giving it to her. So basically, when I move, I put them out here, but when we're here, I put those here because you see, like, this one, it doesn't feel as strong, but then the paper towel holds them too. Because there's been plenty of time I've forgotten to take it out. And then up here is Tupperware and random dog miscellaneous. And that's the funny thing is, like, there is space in here that we're not even using.
Yeah.
But it's not kitchen spaceable. So I keep moving stuff around. So like down here, I have our plates and stuff because these were falling every time we were going places. And then I used to have all the rest of the cooking stuff down here, but then we lost all these things back there.
Okay, so you just have the stove and then the microwave.
I hate this, yes.
Would you have done it different?
Yes, but that's because I don't like microwaves.
Okay, you would have done the oven?
I would have done the convection oven, yes. This is what I consider our junk drawer. Because we don't have a junk drawer. Yeah. So like all the pens, the smoking devices. This is also where everything sits to charge. Coffee maker, that we put under when we go. And then under the sink, so this is like fluctuating right now because we're going to install the reverse osmosis. I think one thing that the RV world does not talk about is this water situation. We are contributing to half the plastic on the planet, I guarantee you. Because we drink a lot of water and you are not drinking this water. Like it's...
Well, they don't tell you that the filters are garbage.
Yeah, the filters are garbage.
Right. Basically, they're keeping sand out of your water and then that's it.
Pretty much. Yeah, so well, it's more for your pipes than for drinking situation.
Right.
So we're going to install the reverse osmosis water system. So basically, this is all the cleaning stuff right now, but we've moved most of the cleaning stuff. This is me just putting stuff. Yeah, we even filter the dog's water.
What year is yours?
2021.
Okay.
So yeah, I got it right before crazy happened.
Okay.
Like literally. We bought it maybe mid-February or beginning of February and I picked it up in March.
Okay.
Well, we delivered because I did not drive it at the time. I did not think, I hadn't planned on the trip yet when I bought it.
Yeah. Oh, good. My camera just turned off. Nice.
And then it just turned, whoa.
Yeah, I shouldn't have done that.
Whoa! She has all her bedding stuff in here. It goes all the way down. But yeah, well, I guess you can't see how deep it is, but it's pretty deep.
Yeah.
It goes as deep as the couch does.
Nice.
Yeah. She has all her bedding. She's got 2 pillows in there, a mega blanket. Oh, that's the heated blanket. She's got a heated blanket. Under here, you have plenty of space. This one has both sides. Whereas that one only has one side. You fall in, but you can also access it from here.
Okay.
So this is like extra dry goods, and this is all her shoes. She doesn't like her shoes to be stacked on top of each other. I don't care.
So, is this for when you make the bed?
Yes, we've never done this actually.
Okay.
I've never taken this down.
Okay.
But this foot just...
and then it sits on top.
And then it flips down a little. And then, and then it sits on that. That's basically what holds it together.
Gotcha.
And then the cushions, typical Airstream stuff. And this is like our office baskets. These are really handy. That way we can keep our stuff contained. Because when we're both in here trying to work, this table is not big enough.
Take over space.
Yeah, it's not big enough. This one, honestly, it's kind of like where things go to hang out until we forget we need. It's like flour. We don't use flour or cornstarch, you know. And then this one I'm not a fan of. Because it's like just too small but just too big. You know, like you can't do two of anything. And then stuff falls back there and it gets really messy and hard to get to. And then this, so this is basically all the bedding.
Okay.
But I had my clothes in here before, but then it goes too deep, so I would lose all my clothes.
Oh.
And so I'm wearing the same 3 sweaters until like literally I'm wearing them out, but then I've got like 3 brand new back there that I forgot I had. And then, so what a lot of people have been doing is doing half of this shelves. I am going to do that at some point. The shower is honestly pretty great.
That's not bad.
Right? It's not bad at all. Easy to clean. The carbon monoxide detector is right here, so when you spray too much cleaner, sometimes
it gets it.
It gets it and it sets it off. I always hang the towels inside because when they're hanging outside, I feel like this hallway is so much smaller.
Oh, that's smart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's pretty big. And the freezer is pretty loaded. Don't laugh. The freezer's really bad right now.
That's awesome. That's a lot of room, though.
It's a lot of freaking food in here right now. Like a lot. Back and forth. The sink is pretty sweet.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that it's not too big because if it were too big, when we come back from a day of volunteer and we're so tired and we don't want to do dishes, if it's full, then we have to. You know, so we never let it get bad. So the bathroom is actually...
Girl, this is like double the size of mine.
I know, but here's the thing though. There's so much space in here, like we don't even use it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, like, okay, so I left her stuff out and my stuff out, like... You know, with us having each one of those, which we put in the shower when we move, it makes it to where we have a lot of space under there. I mean, look, my entire makeup kit, her entire...
Good grief.
Yeah, and then we still have this, which is, again, like, we don't use that much. Honestly, and, like, the more we're living in here, the more we're moving stuff around.
Yeah, and figuring it out.
Yeah, exactly.
I think this is such a genius.
Keep everything organized, but away, and honestly, the few times that one of them has fallen... It's not broken.
Yeah. Well, it's a good use of space.
But yeah, it's really huge. With the trash can. That's something that can wedge in there and that closes. I know. That's like dead space that now is actually usable space. But this is, again, a lot of windows. But those are the cubbies that we're talking about that I like for the front. And this is my clothing above of what I have in the closet. So it's like, again, super spacious. I hate these guys. I won't lie. It's a mess, and then you can't put stuff underneath. Yeah. Like I can in there because the gowns are there. And then the underneath one, like this one, is just like, this is Rihanna's laundry basket. It's normally out. But I have like the dog's towels in there and my extra office supplies. Like that is not what that is meant to be used for. And so one thing I want to do so bad is to take this out.
The shelf? Yeah. Can you?
I don't know. I have to empty one of these to be able to see it.
Yeah.
To see, because then I could put, because it goes so deep and it's, again, you're losing, like on top here, like there's nothing deep. You know, like the hangers don't go deeper. And so I could put the brooms back there, like the vacuum cleaner, just stuff being out of the way.
It's interesting that the doors open. Well, I guess they had to. I see.
Because of the shape?
Because of the shape.
Yeah. It's the same with the... So you see, like, she doesn't have that much clothes in here. For all the clothes she has out there, it's like it doesn't fit that much stuff. And I don't care about how my shoes are because I don't spend a lot of money on shoes. So I just throw my shoes in there and I'm done. So it's like, you know, it's not being used for what it's supposed to be. They stay. They've learned. Thank you. So this is like a lot of... It's a lot of stuff. I brought everything.
Well, you were living in it.
I was living in it. So this is the shoes that I wear more on a day-to-day, and I change them out seasonally. So, like, we came back in cold, so I brought all the boots back out. But I'm going to put all the sandals back out. That way I'm not having to go there because there's always crap all over here. So, and then space heater is awesome. So this is actually all the dog stuff.
Okay.
So now we rescue, obviously. So we have, like, treats and all the collars in the world that we found. But this is basically a dog pharmacy, so because we have to get a year of everything. So all the flea and tick stuff, all the heartworm stuff is in there, and this is extra office stuff again.
Yeah.
So it's not really, because then if I put all this stuff up there, which will fit, but then I can't find what I need.
Right.
So, don't get me wrong, like we're still learning. Like there's still.
You've been on the road since January?
Yeah, but I've been in here. But it is definitely a different way of packing between when you're on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a different way of living. But yeah, since January 25th we left.
Okay.
We didn't think we were ever
I
gonna
really
leave.
like those cubbies because I don't think that I haven't seen the inside of one, so I don't know.
Oh, well, go.
Because I think they're pretty amazing.
But yeah, honestly, I really do love the bedroom. If I were in a couple, I don't know, I've thought about this a lot. About doing the twins versus the queen. Just for like, to get up and out of the bed all the time. I don't know, I've thought about it. But not if you're full time. If you're, because a lot of people seem to be doing that, but they're just like doing weekends. But it's super spacious, a lot more than you expect. But then when it's crowded, it feels crowded. But that's inside. Outside, I'll show you the compartments.
So this is your under the bed.
That's under the bed. So you see all the space. Like, we're not even using it.
Mm-hmm.
We're not even using it. Like I can put his crate in here, actually. And this is where we just keep all the poop stuff.
Yeah.
Basically stuff we never touch.
Okay.
Like I can't tell you the last time I touched that. I can't tell you the last time I touched that. And if I do, it's going to be with baby wipes. Or Clorox wipes. But the hose fits in there. Both hoses.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah. This is the outdoor shower. I didn't even think about taking the key.
Oh, yeah.
But it just pops out, and actually we never use it. And
But this is on the toilet side, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, it's all contained. It's not like mine where it goes through.
No, exactly.
Okay,
No,
it's
this is
all
a whole
contained
lot-
in here. Got it.
There's a whole other hose.
Got
I'll
it.
take the key in. I don't
No, that's
understand
fine.
why they freaking lock it.
Okay.
There's no
So is that more storage down there?
Oh yeah, you see, I forgot about that. But you see how big, again, like...
Oh, so it goes all the way to the front.
Holy cow, it goes all the way to here. Yeah, I
Yeah.
didn't realize that.
Yeah. I mean, that's...
A lot.
Yeah.
Honestly, now that I'm looking at it, I think the electric could fit in there.
Mm-hmm.
The electric is pretty good on top of the...
Yeah.
Are you hungry? I don't know if you were like hungry because I made chicken pie.
Oh, did you really?
Of course. I said I would. You met me. I do what I say I'm gonna do. I just have to warm it up a bit. You want to come for a walk with us?
Yeah, we'll go for a walk.
While this warms up.